Want to learn about how to use Wix Website Builder? Let's show you how step by step. So the first thing you need to do is, of course, go to Wix.com. Click on Get Started. Select a method in which you'd like to sign up with Wix. You can use your email address, or you can continue with your Google account or Facebook account. Once you finish signing up, you'll be able to see this on your screen. There are actually two ways that you can create a Wix website in Wix, and that is to use Wix's AI or to choose a template that you can manually customize. We're going to talk about them one by one. Let's first start with the AI option. So if you decide to go with the AI option, click on Start Chat. A chat session will begin. Basically, Wix's AI will ask you questions about how you'd like your website to be. So go ahead and chat with Wix's AI. Once you think you've given enough information, you can click on the End Chat and Continue button. Now, Wix will load up our dashboard. So this is our personalized dashboard. Now, we're going to click on Design Site. Once again, Wix will ask us how we'd like to design our website. Once again, we have two options: to generate a design with AI or to pick a template that you can customize. Since we chose the AI option earlier, let's click on Generate a Design with AI. And so, this is the website that Wix's AI has created for us. In case you're not really happy with how it turned out, you can click on Regenerate the site. In case you'd like to change just a few details, you can click on Make it a little different. Once you're happy with it, you can click on this button right here at the bottom so that you can get started in customizing your website. Click on Continue to the editor. And so here we are on the editor. We're going to talk more about editing after we finish discussing how to choose templates, which is the second option. Okay, so this time we're going to be choosing the Setup Without Chat option so that we can choose a template. Let's click on it. What type of website do you want to create? Let's try Food Shop instead. And click on Continue. Okay, so start setting up your store. Let's say Brietta's, and click on Continue. Basically, just answer the questions that pop over here. What kind of products are you selling? Of course, we are selling food, so we are selling physical products. Continue. So how are you offering your products? Through an online store. Select everything that applies depending on your website's needs. Once again, we will be redirected to our dashboard. So now we're going to click on Design Site to start designing. Oh, I think we're going to have to choose a template first. So let's pick a template. Let's select a nice template over here. Feel free to choose any template that you like. Okay, how about this one? So let's click on Edit. Okay, so here we are on our editor. This is where we can start customizing our website. In order for us to quickly edit the content here, we're going to click on this section and click on the pencil icon. This is also the quick edit button. If we click on it, we'll see this side panel here on the right. This is where we can change the content of this specific section that we chose. So basically, just change it accordingly. You can even change the color of some of the elements here. Let's choose this one for example and click on Add to Page. Maybe we can change its color as well. I hope. Let's click on the Settings button. And maybe we should click on this specific element instead. Let's change this. Let's click on Design. Change its color to, I like black, so maybe we should do that. Okay. Basically, keep customizing your website until you're happy with it. Apart from the quick edit option, you can also use the tools here on the sidebar on the left. So here you have Add Elements, where you can add individual elements. Here you can add entire sections. You can just easily drag and drop them onto your web page. Next, this is the Pages and Menu button. This is actually really important because not only will you have to customize or design your homepage, but you also have to design other web pages within your site. So the Site Pages and Menu is where you want to go to in order to switch from one web page to another here on the Wix editor. You can also use this option right here on the toolbar above. For site design, this is where you can customize your site theme, such as your color theme, text theme, page background, and this is where you can also add page transitions. The Wix App Market is also an important tool on the sidebar because it acts as kind of like the Play Store or the App Store of your Wix website. This is where you can find apps that you can fully integrate onto your website to make it more functional. My Business has got to be the most important tool over here because this is where you manage all of your website's processes. Whether you have a blog, a restaurant, an online store, etc., the My Business section is where you perform all your business-related tasks within your website. This is where you can set up your services or add your products. This is also where you can set up your payment methods and all of those other important things. Apart from that, this is also where you can see all the apps that you have installed or integrated onto your website. So for now, these are the apps that have been added to our site. So we have Wix Stores, Wix Blog, Wix Forms and Payments, and Wix Chat. You can find all of these and so much more on the Wix App Market. So yeah. Next, we have Media. So this is where we can upload our pictures or other media or other files. If you like, you can also import your media from your other social media accounts by connecting those accounts to Wix. So basically, you just choose an option here. If you don't have anything that you can use, no worries, because Wix also offers free images and free videos and so much more for you to use. And then we also have AI tools. These AI tools will help you get going and will also help you kickstart things, especially when you don't know where to start. It will assist you in creating your website. So you have the text creator, create content and place it anywhere you need it. And they also have the section generator. So get a ready to use section with text and images for any page on your site. Once again, once you're done editing a specific page, make sure to switch to another web page until you finish designing all of the web pages of your website. Next step is to also edit your website in mobile mode. That's because a lot of people use their smartphones and a lot of people are going to access your website using their smartphones. So you have to make sure that your website looks good on smartphones as well. To do that, click on this phone button over here on the top. And once you do that, you'll be redirected to your website's mobile view or mobile mode. So you can just basically drag and drop elements here, just make them organized. And once you're happy, you can click on Save for the changes to be saved. And once you're finally done editing your website, make sure to preview it first so that you can guarantee that everything is smooth and great before you publish it. So click on the preview button here. And Wix will allow you to see how your website would look like once it's uploaded. You can click on Back to Editor to continue editing. But if you like, you can also directly click on Publish here so that your website will be live on the internet and can be found by anyone else using the internet. Basically, that is all. We hope you found our video today of help somehow. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.